Today we are shooting our campaign for our brand new foundation, the Full Beat Foundation by One Size Beauty. I'm gonna take you guys behind the scenes, give you a tour of everything.
Set, roll camera. And 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah!
Full coverage, but lightweight, and the color range is amazing.
Hello? Guys, these are my models!
Taking it!
Cut.
Yes!
We're here today at the One Size Full Beat Foundation shoot.
A lot of models, very diverse, which is really, really exciting. We have a huge range of foundation that we can't wait to launch.
Today is a special day!
And we got it.
Thank you for being here. It really means a lot. You guys look so good. Thank you. 38 foundations stand before me, and today is a special day! Oh my gosh, you guys. Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are shooting our campaign for our brand new foundation, the Full Beat Foundation by One Size Beauty. It's so surreal because we've had the brand for 4 years. You guys have loved Until Dawn. You guys have loved our Ultimate Setting Powder. You guys have loved so many products. Next, we are launching our Full Beat Foundation. This is such a surreal moment for me. Thank you guys. The foundation launches. It's on the screen. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love documenting these things, you guys know. But in the meantime, subscribe, like, comment what you're so excited about. And don't forget that makeup is a one size fits all. All right guys, this is my wardrobe rack in my dressing room. Look at this. Jose sewed this for me on the last shoot. This is what you guys are gonna see in Sephora on the displays in every single store. But why I notice is the same outfit that I wear from Amazon every single time. So if you want what I'm wearing right now, it's linked down below. I love these. This is the brand Pumi on Amazon. And this is custom, so you can't get this. But you can most definitely copy. And you know what's so funny about these wardrobe shoes, by the way? Is that we just add more clothes just to make it look nicer. So I'm not gonna wear this. You know where I wore this? The last time I wore this was on America's Next Top Model. And I don't think this fits me no more. Okay, so this shout out to Tyra Banks for having me on there. I'm not wearing this today. Definitely not wearing that. So take a peek and I think Joella's here. She's in the campaign. Well. If it isn't the termite, the voice of drag. How are you?
Good.
Look, Joella made her own shirt.
It's vintage.
She wore it to the airport and she said, what did you say? Two people were like, I love one size.
Yeah, like, I love one size. I said, oh, me too. Obviously.
Oh, you're gonna go get GLAM?
Yeah.
Okay, get GLAM, and we have more shades if you need.
Okay.
All right, love you.
Thank you.
Miss Official Lip Snatcher. Guys, so I'm almost done with my makeup. And I just wanted some peace and quiet, so I asked a lot of people not to come in the room. I'm just trying to soak up like every last bit of like my time doing makeup and just thinking about how far I've come in my career, all because of you guys. I have just been so emotional today just because I never thought I would have like my first foundation. I never thought I would have my own brand. It seems like it's gone by so fast, but for you guys watching at home, you guys are like, oh, you've been had this brand, you've been had this. But I think every day I'm just so grateful and blessed to have opportunities like this and to still be able to authentically be myself and wear as much makeup as I freaking please with powder all over my shirt. I'm just like so grateful to each and every one of you. And if you guys notice in my campaigns, I have Athena in these campaigns, I have Joella in these campaigns, I have Ronnie in these campaigns. I don't cast traditional models, I cast dancers. And it really means a lot that I'm able to have control to change what it means to have a standard in the beauty industry. And I have no one else but all of you guys to thank, because you guys believing in me shows my team that we can take risk and we can take chances, and here we are about to launch a Full Beat Foundation. So I don't want to cry, but I just want to say thank you so much for all of this. This wasn't a part of the shot list today for this YouTube video today, but it just really means a lot. And if you're watching and you've been with me for a long time, or if you're just coming across my channel, thank you and I love you. I'm gonna finish my makeup and then hopefully get changed and we'll be shooting. Guys, here we are in the bathroom. We're almost done. I'm in my Crocs and I'm in paper towels on my head because this fabric, this turban right here, is a very difficult to breathe in. So I like to have a little bit of like insulation. The paper towels help like line the turban and also catch the sweat. So if you guys have any suggestions, if you guys are fashionistas out there, let us know, because paper towels have worked the best. And then it'll be shoot time.
Hey you guys!
Hey guys.
What's up?
How are you?
So good. Joella's upstairs. She's just finished getting glam.
Good. Yes, she's having
She wanted her Kim K glam, so I gave her Kim K glam. She looks in the mirror and she goes, I could never. And I go, what do you mean? She goes, I could never glam myself like this.
I am kind of gagged. I'm living. And Ronnie, honey, you need to go to jail for beating my face. The foundation for one size, turn up the base, is fantastic. Should we go out tonight?
We are going out tonight.
Okay. We're gonna have some fun.
We are going out tonight. We're celebrating.
Because Lademi, you can't be the only pretty girl, okay? I have to come shake up the place.
Guys, these are my models. Hello.
Hey, I'm Hannah Pink. On Instagram, I'm hannah.pinky with a Y. And then on TikTok, it has 2 Y's.
Hi, I'm Caitlin Dixon. You can find me on Instagram at Caitlin__Dixon.
Hello, my name is Abe. It's Abe Yoon everywhere, anywhere.
And we'll find it.
And you'll find it.
Hi, I'm Jihan Amir, and it's at Jihan, JIHANAMER everywhere.
Oh, my light. Where's my light? Come on, teamwork.
Hello, I am Christina Gray. I have a couple of handles, but follow me
so
at
say all of them.
Christina Runway.
Christina Runway on Instagram?
Yes, on Instagram, and also Christina A. Gray.
Hi, I'm Renita Gale. Instagram, Renita Casting.
I'm not good at this stuff. This is why I work behind the camera. It's like they always want me. Hey guys, you guys may or may not know me. My name is Ronnie. MUA Ronnie on Instagram. I am a makeup artist. I do Patrick's makeup. I'm also his best friend. And you guys may remember me from a particular campaign that I was in, Secure the Glow. But today we are on set for Turn Up the Base Full Beat Foundation. And we have an incredible team of makeup artists. So come and meet the team, guys. So right here we have my boy Brian Mendez.
I'm Brian Mendez, makeup artist in LA, and my Instagram is at Brian Mendez, Brian with a Y.
And over here we have my boy Michael.
What's up, everybody?
Everybody say hi.
Hi, makeup artist Michael. Nice to meet you guys. Makeup artist Michael on IG everywhere.
Everybody meet Apollo. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm
Instagram.
Apollo. Makeup by Apollo on Instagram.
Our last but not least, the official kit guru right here.
Hi guys, it's Tanya Tello, MUA. How are you?
If you guys follow her, her content is sickening. On top of that, the way that she gets a makeup kit together is no joke. She actually helped me with mine. So if you guys want some tips and tricks, hit her up. She's the one.
Hi guys, I'm Christina. I'm at Christina Glams on Instagram, and today I'm doing hair for the One Size photo shoot. The look I did for my model was all glam. It was all about the big hair movement and picture perfect hair. We also have Tony Wonderhands.
Hi guys.
And Maurice.
Hello, Maurice Cornell here. Hey guys, I'm Tony Wonderhands on Instagram. Today's look was the bun look with the little young, fresh, fine. That was the vibe.
So my name is Maurice Cornell. Today I decided to have a pulled look and also keep the texture of a person's natural hair. The pulled look is pretty much to keep the makeup focused. For the other girl, she came in with her braids. I just kind of put them in buns to get them out of her face and up and away. We're here with One Size. Love working with them. Can't wait to do more.
Hi guys, I'm Fabian, VP of Integrated Marketing. I'm feeling very happy. Everything's going amazing. We're slightly late, but it's okay. Nobody knows that everything happened last minute. I hired a model, been the night before because I asked my friend who lives in Spain if he knew somebody in LA that we could utilize, and we have Abe. You'll see him right here. Abe came last minute. Thank you so much, but everything's looking great and I'm so excited.
All right, guys, I'm finally done. I'm a little bit late, but now it's time to go into the photo shoot and the video shoot, and we are working with my favorite director, Andrew Valentine. It's gonna be so fun.
Look at this.
Here we are again, guys. We started when he wasn't a father, now he's a daddy. Literally a family man.
Yeah,
and I can't believe he still works with me. And congrats on the Medellin family.
Thank you
Watch
so much.
the movie.
Thank
I
you.
cameoed in it.
Yeah, it's a
And
wonderful guest star. Thank you so much.
The movie director, you guys, and he humbly graced us with his talent at One Size again.
I love it. I love it. I'm always coming back.
Hi, I'm Julie.
And I'm Landon.
And we're here today at the One Size Blvd foundation shoot. And today we styled the shoot.
It's like all monochromatic red.
We pulled all the looks in a day. We said we could make it
12
work.
hours, honey.
12 hours. A lot of the inspiration for me with the board references was very much street style, New York street style, and kind of like early 2000s Rihanna. And then for hair and makeup, it was supposed to be really fun, just big hair, really fun styles. And then for makeup, just full beat glam. But overall, we had such a blast getting to work together again.
We do.
Yeah.
Hopefully one more time.
Hopefully no more. Hopefully no more. I don't need you, Landon. I can do it on my own, Mom. I can do it on my own.
No, she can't.
Hi, my name is Jesse, and today I'm doing photography on today's campaign set. A lot of models. We have 6, I believe, beautiful, amazing models today. Very diverse, which is really exciting. We have a huge range of foundation that we can't wait to launch. We're capturing like all the beautiful complexions and skin types, and I'm really excited for everyone to see the photos. Yeah, there we go. Yeah.
Yes. Work it, girl.
Gorgeous. This is your Drag Race confessional. One Size Drag Race Ultimate Queen confessional.
Okay.
How did you have a hairstylist, a makeup artist, a nail technician, and you were taking a nap? Meanwhile, I had nobody, and I was doing my own makeup in a hot room.
I was getting nervous she was going to take off my feet and start doing my toenails. I was like, please don't.
How did you feel?
It was fierce.
Okay.
It was
You're
so
in your
good.
sequins in a custom dress.
And she's fed,
She's
honey.
fed. She
I
has
got
the fan.
coolie, the
She even has
coolie.
my personal wig. What is it like to be at a One Size shoot?
It's a lot to take in, and I'm living. It's so fun.
This is the one, the only Joella, the termite. She loves wood and the voice of drag. Get
The
into
voice of
it.
drag.
The voice of drag.
Get into it.
Hi guys, my name is Jose. I styled Patrick for today. I made his top and then I pulled some fun stuff so he looks sickening. For today, he is wearing Michael No on his jacket. He is wearing my top on his shirt, and then he's wearing Rio on his pants. So as a stylist, you know, we get to pull different things that we've used in the past, and luckily today we pulled a lot and we made it work. And so a lot of these pieces are reused, but they look sickening together.
This is like 3 outfits that I've used for a campaign before, 2 years ago, 4 years ago, and like just yesterday.
Hey, got you a little gift. It's a little bit. No, it's just a little bitty thing. Say thanks for the over 10 years.
Oh my God, no, it's not.
It's been 10 years, yeah.
No, it has not.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I don't need gifts.
It's pretty bitty. It's for the office.
Oh my God. Oh my God, thank you. This is so nice. Now I can tell y'all to shut the fuck up. But now I can do my multiple cameras. Wow. Famous like, I want one. I do. This is so nice. Thank you.
No problem. Thank you.
Fucking bitch. Now he's gonna have one too.
My meetings were not like this. Let's go.
Guys, we are about wrapped on the shoot. One funny part of the day was when Joella first came on and we started posing, she almost fainted. She's like, almost fainted. And I was like, what happened? Because when Rita came up, she goes, and her wig shook and she goes, I'm so sorry, I thought you were Lady Gaga. And she was like, no. Joella was like, I seriously thought that you got Lady Gaga to do, and now why would I have Lady Gaga on set? Joella, not yet. All right, you guys, that was the most amazing Turn Up the Base Full Beat Foundation set day. We have a lot to clean up. Shout out to the whole cast and the whole crew, all the models, everyone that was on this shoot. A dream come true to have the foundation. We're gonna clean up and I'll see you guys at home. I am home. Oh my gosh, guys, that was the most gorgeous day. I think the highlight of my day was seeing Joella be in GLAM with her Joella lipstick. Jose slayed it with getting the dress, and Joella wearing that same wig that we wore in the La Demi video last. Was so cute, and everything went smoothly. The gift that Andrew got, and most of all, I will say, Ronnie was like, girl, everyone was talking about the foundation, and I was like, what do they say? And Ronnie was like, everyone loves it.
They all love it.
Oh, really?
They love the foundation.
You told them to shake it?
They know they were advised of, like, when they got there to shake it. They love it. They think it's beautiful. The shade ranges are really beautiful too. And these are like top dogs. What do we think about the foundation, everybody?
Ooh,
Honestly,
she is.
I'll pass the mic to you.
Honestly obsessed. I love to layer it with Secure the Glow primer. And yeah, it's super like light, but like full coverage.
It's incredible, and literally like a little bit goes a long way too. So if you want a little bit on the body, it's perfect.
It's amazing. And this paired with Oil Sucker and On Till Dawn, you're making me going nowhere.
I like that it's very airy but full coverage. The models said that they didn't feel it, that it felt very soft.
And for me, I love that it's just like fucking super blurring, full coverage, but lightweight. And on top of that, the color range is amazing. I hope you guys like it.
You could see all the different types of models. It looked good on the skin, but up until we launch, I don't believe anyone. I'm like, are they just like sucking up, or do they mean it? So for the next few weeks up until we launch, because obviously this is in the past, you guys are in the future, so you guys will have known about it. I'm just excited for all of you guys to try it and see it in Sephora and in your hands on the sponge. Thank you for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget, makeup isn't one size fits all, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Keep going.